Hey guys, it's Amma back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to get the Tom Holland middle part hairstyle. So essentially it will be a middle part with more length and natural wave. So Tom Holland has honestly become the go-to guy for hair and fashion. He's rocked everything from the short textured Spider-Man cut to the longer wavy red carpet flow, and this one sits perfectly in between. So in order to get the best out of this hairstyle, you want to make sure that your hair is long enough. Ideally, you want to go for 4 to 6 inches on top. It's a laid back, classy hairstyle that works on pretty much any face shape. Let's get into it. So we want to start off with clean, slightly damp hair. Just make sure that it's not dripping. My hair has started to dry out, so I'm just going to spray it a little bit first of all. This helps your products absorb evenly and allows you control when it comes to styling your hair. So once that's done, I'm going to go in with the Forte series Argan oil. This keeps your hair smooth, shiny and healthy, especially if you use heat tools. Don't overdo it, a little bit goes a long way. Next, use a lightweight mousse. This adds volume, keeps your waves lifted and gives that signature Tom Holland flow through the middle part. You want to make sure that you focus on the roots. That's where all your volume and shape comes from. So this next step is for people with straight hair only. If your hair is naturally straight, you can use some sea salt spray and you can scrunch your hair during the hair drying application just to create some Tom Holland waves. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to use the brush and slick back the hair. If you have naturally wavy or curly hair, just brush your hair back. And then, guys, you want to use your hands to create texture. So by using your hands and scrunching your hair, it allows you to create natural waves in your hair. So that's literally what I'm doing throughout the tutorial. So as you can see, guys, I start from the front, I make my way back. You can see my hair in the back. I'm scrunching that up to give it that natural wave. When using the hair drying application, we want medium heat, fast speed. But as we get towards the end of the process, we want to use the cold setting just to give it that shine and keep it in place. So as you can see, guys, I've created some texture in my hair, some shape in my hair. And what I want to do now is use a cream styler. So today I'm going to be using the Slick Gorilla Cream Styler. This is a fantastic product for giving your hair that natural finish. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure that you don't fully dry the hair out, because this is when this product is absolutely at its best. So grab a small amount and evenly distribute the product into your hair on top and back. It gives a soft hold and a natural finish, perfect for keeping the style flexible and touchable. And also it's fantastic for versatility, so in terms of playing about with your hair and trying to determine the best shape for your hair. So now, guys, we've created the texture, we've created the shape, and what we want to do next is we want to enhance the waves. So what we will do is use a diffuser. A diffuser is perfect for enhancing natural waves or curls, and this is what we are going to do to achieve the Tom Holland hairstyle. So the way to work this, guys, is we want the lowest setting possible, because we aren't creating waves, we're trying to enhance them, and we want to make sure that we move the diffuser around everywhere, so we're enhancing those waves throughout the hair. I'd say if you don't have a diffuser, you can still use your hands to scrunch up your hair. It may just be worth doing this on the lowest setting on your hairdryer just to enhance those waves of curl. Now it's just a case of tweaking the front. You can leave a few strands loose for that relaxed, messy feel. Tom's hair always looked like it fell perfectly into place, and that's the look we're going for here. So essentially, you just want to find your middle part and then just let a few strands loose, and then just make sure that those strands have a nice wave or curl to it. And there you go, guys. That's how you get the Tom Holland signature middle part hairstyle. It's clean, natural and effortless, which is what he's known for. It also proves he's not just a good actor but a style icon, especially for guys with wavy or curly hair. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more hairstyle tutorials, and comment below which celebrity you want me to do next. Finally, if you've never come across the Slick Gorilla Cream Styler, I'm going to leave a video for you there to click on. I'll see you there.